So this is Carrie Sundra. She's our electronics engineer, and she's going to explain the way our fault system works.
Yeah, so we've changed the behavior of the Remora Solo a little bit when it encounters a current fault. So basically when the motor has been loaded up a little bit too much. So we're going to do two different types of current faults. One is like a very short, hard current fault, and then the other is the more typical one that we see in everyday use, which is that, you're trying to get a really stubborn, piece cleaned, and you kind of lean on it too hard, and it slows down and stops for a second until you back off, and then it starts back up again. So the first one is the hard, fast stop. So we'll simulate that here. Look. So it spools down and stops, and it goes into what we're calling a lockout mode. So for about 20 seconds, if you press the pause button, it'll just kind of do that little thing, and that's just to give the unit like a chance to kind of rest a little bit. And you'll notice it kind of wiggled twice there. That indicates that it's now out of lockout mode and can be used normally. So the other type of fault, which is one that we see more often, is sort of the over aggressive cleaning and doing that repeatedly in a pretty short amount of time. So now what happens is it'll enter that lockout mode if you overcurrent it 3 times within 60 seconds. And that's sort of more of a slow grind. So we'll demonstrate that. So leaning on it, and now it's stopped, but it starts back up again automatically. But let's say you kind of do it again, and you do it a third time, and now it doesn't start back up again automatically, and you're in that lockout mode. So if you press the pause button, it's like, nope. You just need to chill out a little bit, have everything cool down, think about what you've done wrong, and then in 20 seconds, it'll give you the double wiggle, and now it's ready to go again.
Excellent. Thanks, Carrie.
Yeah, no problem.